everyone, thank you for watching. So today I'm really excited. I just received my Sephora favorites, or Sephora Hello. Many of you guys are probably familiar with Sephora Play. That was Sephora's subscription service that ended recently, right? A few months ago? I don't know, within the past year I would say, and that was a monthly subscription that cost $10, but like I said, they stopped doing that subscription, and now I believe this is like in replacement of it. So the Sephora favorites, they post on their website. It's not a subscription, so you actually have to go on and purchase it for $10, but it seems pretty similar. So today we're going to open this and see if it is worth the $10. Of course, I will link this down below. I'm looking at the website right now. It is still available, and I'll also link any products that we get inside too. So before we get started, I just want to take a quick moment and say hi and welcome if you are new here. My name is Kitty. I open subscription boxes and beauty products pretty much every single day here on our channel. So if you love subscription boxes and beauty as much as I do, I would absolutely love it if you subscribe. That would mean so much to me. We recently hit 10,000 subscribers, you guys, so thank you again for that. Look out for a giveaway. So if you are already subscribed, make sure you turn on notifications so you don't miss out on that. But let's get started. So I believe this has a theme. It says Sephora Favorites Hello Holy-Grail Greats. That's the full name of this. So you get a set of 6 must-have makeup, skincare, hair care, and fragrance samples from Sephora's top brands, plus vouchers for 15% off future full-size purchases. So this is like exactly like Sephora Play. You get 5 items and then like what they call a bonus item, so you get 6 things every single month. But now we get a 15% off coupon code, and it looks like it's valid for an entire year, and it can go to any item, a full-size item of what we got in this. So I think this hopefully will be a good way of trying some items that Sephora sells and seeing if we like them, if it works for us before purchasing, because you know Sephora items are pretty pricey. So this is what it looks like. And I just noticed it does say July, so it is now the very beginning of August, so I feel like this just released. At least Sephora's app told me it was like in the new, you know, I got like a notification on my phone. I'm like, kind of need some retail therapy, and I'm like, well, I can afford $10. So here we are. On the back it says, so much beauty to try, so little time and budget to do it. That's why we've made things easy with this pack of must-have Sephora favorites. Best of all, you'll get 15% off your next full-size purchase of any products in this bag. Now pop it open and meet your new beauty. Okay. Looks like this bag is resealable, which is nice. It came in an outer cardboard box. Now that I think about it, I don't know if my free samples were in there, but... So there is a card here. Oh, interesting. So on the back, there's individual 15% off coupons for every single item. That is really great. So you can either use it in-store or online. Cool, I was thinking it would only work for one of the items, like a one-time 15% off code, so that's great if I fall in love with everything. Let's start off with a fragrance. I actually don't mind getting little fragrance, like perfume samples. I have so many now, and I just love trying different scents, and fragrance is super expensive, so I'm fine getting stuff like this. This is by Valentino, Vuji Donna, Born in Roma. Let's see. The full size is $100. It looks really cool though. So this is in the fragrance family Florals. Its scent type is warm florals, and the keynotes are black currant, jasmine grandiforum, and bourbon vanilla. I had to look at that on the website because when I smell things, I can only tell you like good or bad. So let's get this open. Oh my god, it's only like 2/3 of the way full. Can you guys see that? So that's kind of stupid, but let's spray some on. Ooh, this smells really good. Like, really good. It kind of reminds me of my favorite Arizona in a way, by Proenza Schuler. If you guys have been around, you know that's my favorite perfume. But different, but good. Yay! Let's move on though to the next item in here. Oh yeah, it's something by Pharmacy. So this is the Pharmacy Daily Greens Oil-Free Gel Moisturizer. I've honestly liked, I think every item I've tried by Pharmacy so far. So I am excited to try this out. So obviously these are all samples. You get 8 milliliters in here. Has all of the ingredients. And you get an oil-free, silicone-free daily moisturizer. It's lightweight and provides lasting hydration, and you could use it both AM and PM. Like, how cute is the packaging? I just ripped the box up when I said that. I don't know about you guys, but I have so much trouble getting things out of packaging. You would think I'd be a pro. Cute. I think I've heard of this. Was the Daily Greens in past Trend Mood box? Not one I purchased. I actually have a Trend Mood box on the way though. There's a safety seal. The first thing I always do is smell things. It kind of has a scent. It kind of smells like greens, like a green smoothie. And it's a green gel, you could see here on the cap. I'm just gonna put a little bit on the back of my hand. Yeah, it feels really nice. I'm excited to try this. So if you guys are new to my videos, whenever I get beauty boxes specifically, the next month I review the products at the end of the video. So let's say I purchased the August Hello or Sephora Favorites Hello, Favorite Bot, whatever the hell the name is. I will review these items at the end of that. If not, I'll like include them in like favorites and fails or like a haul review video or something like that. The next item I'm super excited about. I think I did, like, I must have. When you go to purchase this, you do see like an image of everything, and I didn't really like look too closely because I wanted it to be like kind of a surprise. But I mean, I might as well. I usually forget what I'm getting. But anyways, I noticed this was in it, and I hear such good things about Supergoop sunscreens, so I thought I would try this. Look, the tube's kind of weird shaped. Seems like it's supposed to be like that. Interesting. But anyways, this is their Unseen Sunscreen. It has SPF 40. And it's a clean chemical sunscreen, so it shouldn't have any of the white cast that mineral sunscreens usually have, but it is reef safe, so it doesn't include any of the chemical sunscreens that have been shown to cause harm to our reefs. It's non-irritating, no synthetic fragrances, and it is vegan. So let's put a little bit on the back of my hand. Again, the safety seal, it's good. And we get 10 milliliters in here. Oh, it has like a clear gel look. I don't even know if you guys could see that. It reminds me of like a silicone-based, like mattifying pore-filling primer. I think pore-filling would be the right term. So I wonder if this would also help with that. I'm excited to try this because that's exactly what it feels like. And a little bit goes a long way. Have you guys tried this? Do you like it? I wonder if it has silicones in it, but I don't mind silicones. Some people think silicones can cause breakouts, but it hasn't been proven to do so. Next up we have a hair item by Moroccan Oil. This is their Moroccan Oil Treatment Light. I actually have received this in the past, and I really like this. You just need a few drops, and you just like put it through your hair, and it like tames flyaways and stuff. I probably need that now. I didn't use any product on my hair. I curled it a little bit, just because I didn't want it to be like, I don't know. I just didn't feel like having product in my hair when it's like hardened and stuff like that. But I do have some flyaways, so how about I put a little bit in? A little bit on. I'm just gonna kind of disperse it through my fingers. Not sure you're gonna be able to tell anything on camera, but it feels nice, makes your hair look nice and healthy. I actually washed my hair this morning finally. So hopefully it's looking a little okay, even though it desperately needs to be colored. All right, last two items. We have the Tarte Lights Camera Lashes Mascara. I had the full size of this a while ago, like over 2 years ago, because I'm pretty sure I can like recall using this in Chicago. And the larger size has the same type of purple packaging, and I remember liking this, but it has been a while, so I am definitely excited to try it. And I actually like getting smaller mascaras because you go through them so fast, or I should say they expire so quickly, so I don't mind getting smaller ones. But normally I wouldn't open it right away when I have other mascaras open, but let's look at the wand because I am curious. Ooh, yeah, this looks like a wand I would like. I think I said this about one other product. If you guys have tried any of these, please leave a comment down below, like letting us know your experience. on how you like it. Actually, this feels a little different than I think the one I received. It feels kind of like plasticky. I thought it was like a soft material when I had the full size, but that honestly doesn't really matter. Let's move on to the last item. I'm excited to try this out. I've never heard of it before. It's by Smashbox. It's the Photo Finish Vitamin Glow Primer, and this is made with vitamins B, C, and E. Oh, Smashbox. I haven't tried something new from Smashbox in a long time. But I love one of their primers, the Primerizer. Like, I think that's great. I don't have it currently, but I really like it. So this looks like a gel kind of. It's a light orange tint. Ooh, wow, that does leave a glow, right? Well, my hand has had like the proper skincare. I had moisturizer, SPF, and then primer, the correct order too. Gosh, I'm a dork, but oh, it kind of smells like fresh and citrusy, unless I'm smelling the Daily Greens. Hold on. Oh, I just got some on my nose. I guess people put highlight there anyways, right? But that was everything, you guys. So they say the total retail value for this box or this bag, whatever you want to call it, Sephora favorites, hello, Holy-Grail favorites. The value is $41.04, and then you get a 15% off code for every single item. I mean, I never really purchase things outside of boxes just because I get so much and I'm always trying new things and reviewing them for you guys. But I think that is great, like, especially for the sunscreen. I'm thinking if I really like it, because I go through that really quickly because I use sunscreen every single day. Oh God, I just want to be like, you should too, like I always mention. But you guys are smart. I know you're wearing your sunscreen, especially this summer. But yeah, you guys, I think this was worth it. It's actually better to me than the past like Sephora plays. I feel like a lot of things I would receive in there were not cruelty-free, which was a bummer. But yeah, I'm excited to see what they come out with next. If you guys received this or tried anything, let us know your thoughts down below. But thank you so much for being here. I hope you're all safe and healthy. I love you so much, and I will see you in the next video. And thank you to our channel members. You guys are the best. I'm thinking we will have our live stream tomorrow with the giveaway, so check my community tab, our community tab, for a poll. I think most of you answered, but I will update you on the live stream time. I'm so excited to chat with you guys. But yeah, okay, now it's goodbye. Love you.